Hello everyone, this is Sakshi. You are watching Inventora and this is the crucial hour at 8. News from 8 to 8. Here is the international news. Russia and the United States failed to make any major progress on Tuesday in resolving a row over the size and functioning of their embassies, and there is a risk that relations could worsen further, Russia's Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Ryabkov said. The United States will lift restrictions at its land borders with Canada and Mexico to fully vaccinated foreign nationals in early November, ending historic curbs on non-essential travelers in place since March 2020 to address the COVID-19 pandemic. An EU investigation would be the second setback for Nvidia, coming 2 months after Britain's antitrust agency warned that the deal for the country's most important technology company could damage competition and weaken rivals. The EU's executive branch is planning to issue up to 250 billion euros in green bonds by the end of 2026. The European Commission issued its inaugural green bonds Tuesday, raising 12 billion euros, that is $13.8 billion, from a sale that attracted strong demand from investors. A flurry of recent missiles tests shows North Korea continuing to advance its weapons program, which it says is necessary to defend itself against a possible US invasion. Members of the G20 group of major economies have pledged to avert an economic catastrophe in Afghanistan. US President Joe Biden stressed that aid should be provided via independent international organizations and not directly to the ruling Taliban. Hong Kong authorities closed schools on Tuesday and raised the third highest storm warning as a typhoon threatened the financial hub for the second time in less than a week. Elon Musk widens lead as richest person in the world with a net worth that is now $222 billion, which is more than $32 billion than that of Jeff Bezos. Here's the national news. Kolkata's popular Puja Pandal Burj Khalifa cancels laser show after complaints from pilots. One of the iconic Durga Puja Pandal in Kolkata this year, made on the top of world's famous skyscraper Dubai's Burj Khalifa, has suspended its laser show on Monday evening allegedly after pilots of commercial planes complained to the air traffic control in the city. Modi launches Gati Shakti 100 lakh crore national master plan for multi-modal connectivity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid significant groundwork for Atmanirbhar Bharat on Wednesday, 13 October 2021, while launching the multi-modal master plan. Wear mask all the time, even at home, stated a campaign in Mizoram against COVID. Mizoram recorded a huge spike in the number of daily cases of COVID-19. Alarmed by it, the state government launched a 10-day all-mask campaign. A Rahul Gandhi-led delegation of the Congress party on Wednesday met President Ram Nath Kovind at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi and demanded the resignation of Union Minister Ajay Mishra in connection with the violent incident at Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur Kheri. A Pakistani terrorist arrested yesterday in Delhi received 10 spots in the capital and routinely sent details to his handlers in Pakistan, police sources said today. Also, terrorist Mohammad Ashraf has allegedly told the police that he surveyed the Delhi High Court before the 2011 blast. Lenovo leads as global PC shipments grew 5% in Q3 2021 amid deteriorating supply logistics, Canalys. Lenovo enjoyed the lion's share of the worldwide PC shipment while HP secured the second spot, followed by Dell, Apple, Acer in the top 5 positions. Total shipments of desktop and notebooks, including workstations, touched 84.1 million units in the mentioned period. Heading on to the economy news, Sensex ends higher by 450 points, led by Tata Group shares. The BSE Sensex ended the session at 60,737.50, higher by 452.50 points or 0.75%, and the NSE Nifty closed at 18,161.7, up 169.70 points or 0.94%. India looks at close to double-digit growth this year, says Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Apple shares dropped on Tuesday following reports it could slash its iPhone 13 production targets due to the ongoing global computer chip shortage. Swiggy plans entry into community commerce with Swiggy Bazaar, says sources. Cement demand to remain strong in FY22 on rural infra requirements, says ICRA. Heading on to news about the technology, Google is giving free physical USB security key to 10,000 users at high risk of being hacked, such as politicians and human rights activists. WhatsApp has been spotted testing a new custom privacy setting for Android users to let them hide their about status updates from specific contacts. Jaguar Land Rover is testing the use of secure blockchain technology to ensure full transparency within a leather supply chain. Jaguar Land Rover partnered with supply chain traceability provider Circular, a UK leather manufacturer, Bridge of Weir Leather Company, and the University of Nottingham to trial the use of traceability technology in the leather supply chain. Alzheimer's disease and COVID-19 share genetic risk factors, says UK study. ISRO planning next generation astronomy satellite, says top space agency official. Early test results published in the journal Viruses found that the combined use of the antiviral drugs nafamostat and Pegasus meets all availability and efficacy requirements. Realme has launched a bunch of products on Wednesday. The fresh lineup includes Realme 4K Smart Google TV Stick, Realme Buds Air 2 in closer green color option, Realme Brick Bluetooth speaker, Realme Cooling Back Clip Neo, Realme Type-C Super Dart game cable, and Realme Mobile Game Trigger. This is Sakshi from Inventiva Studios signing off. Till then, good night and subscribe to our channel for daily updates.